It's a tree of life beneath the ancient branches. The earth remembers us. Roots beneath the sacred ground hold the stories we have found. Every leaf that touches light carries dreams into the sky. From the rivers to the plains, love survives through joy and pain. Every heartbeat, every prayer, life's forever in the air. When the wind begins singing and the stars start glowing, the tree whispers softly, you are never alone. Tree of life, shelter us tonight, guide our souls through the dark, lead us through the light. Tree of life, standing through the storms, every branch holds our hope, every root keeps us strong. Children dancing hand in hand, footprints fading in the sand. Ancient voices fill the breeze, flowing gently through the trees. Every tear becomes the rain,